Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Tony Gosselin, and in this video today, I just want to kind of do a brief overview over Wix. I've been working with Wix for about 6 years now. I understand it very well. I understand all the new features and things that keep coming out. So in today's video, I just kind of want to walk you through the first thing that you want to do whenever you're starting with the Wix website. Now, you may just want to do this all yourself. You may end up hiring a partner like ourselves, my company, Penngo, or you may just have some friends or somebody else help you out. Regardless, I want to walk you through kind of the first couple of steps in just creating your account on Wix. Maybe you create your first website, but then you want to transfer it. So that's the first thing that I'm going to do in this video. So I'm just going to show you how to create your account, how to kind of pick a template, how to publish it, and then how to share it with a partner or a friend so that they can also help you and collaborate and help you with it. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to go up here to click sign in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to sign up. I'm going to put in just one of our emails here that I don't believe is being used. So a little tip here, just so that this can help you out, is make sure, if you haven't already done so, get something like LastPass or some other kind of password manager to help you remember your passwords. Really, really helps. We're just going to go click here to sign up. And then you can see here, if you have LastPass, you can just click add. So we want your experience to be perfect for your needs. Answer a few questions to help, let you know, to help us get to know you better. Sorry about that. So yeah, we just go ahead and just kind of go through this. And it's just going to ask you lots of different kinds of questions. Let's just say I'm making this for myself. This is my first time. I need XYZ. Perfect. So I would never really go with ADI because it's not really professional at all. Just go ahead and just click here, choose a template. I'm just going to pick something random. Let's say that I'm doing this for a spirit festival. I'm going to click edit. If you want to, you can like view a couple of them. So if I just want to view like 3 or 4 of them, you can just click here and just click view. So I can just kind of scroll through these and see if I like them or not. And the tip that I would say is just go for the format that you're like, okay, I think I can work with this format. Don't focus so much on the colors or the content because that can always be changed later. Okay, so all very different kinds. So I'm going to go ahead and just go with the original one that we had here, which is this one. I'm just going to cancel these tabs over here. Perfect. So then this is going to take, 10, 15 seconds to kind of set this up for you. In the meantime, what you want to make sure that you do always is just remember that if you have a company name or some kind of a name, to save that whenever you publish the website. So first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click save. And then I'm going to just name this.
Welcome to the Wix editor.
We're going to close that guy. I'm going to click save. I'm going to do test site. And I'm just going to click save and continue. And then I'm going to go up here. And I'm going to click publish. Awesome. So now every single time that I'm making any changes on the website, it's automatically going to save it, and so that I don't always have to be publishing it and be worried about if it crashes or something that I lose it, because every couple of seconds it'll save it whenever you're making changes. Awesome. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is let me just cancel these tabs. I'm going to go to site, and I'm going to click view publish site, and this will just show me the published site. Great. And then what I want to do is I want to go back. I'm going to click exit editor, and this is going to bring me to the dashboard of Wix. And I'm going to show you just one thing here really quick, is how to transfer a site or to add a contributor so that somebody else could help you with it, whether that be an agency, a partner, a friend, a parent, a spouse, anything. This is very fundamental here. You're going to click on site actions. To get here from the dashboard, what you want to do is you want to go to my sites. From here, you just click here. You're going to hover over here, and you're going to click Add a Contributor. You're going to put in their email, and then what you're going to do is you can either do admin, you can do back office manager, you can do a website manager. Most of the time, you're just going to want to do website manager or admin if you really want to transfer everything, and then you're just going to send the invite, and that's about it. That's a little overview about kind of getting started and then how to transfer your Wix site so that if you're working with an agency, if you're working with a partner, or if you're working with just a friend or something, this can help you out. I hope this was helpful. Please follow us at Penngo Daily. We just want to make these videos to help you all out if you're making Wix websites, if you're getting started. We're Wix partners, and we love working with Wix, and we want to help more people understand how to use Wix and make more videos. So thank you so much, and tune into the next video. Bye-bye.